everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful cara espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the wires that you see right here. Let me just focus with this camera. Perfect. All these wires that you see here, we replaced them all, the electrical connections, all that little stuff. And this is the work after we replace it. We also replaced the junction box, replace most of the electronic connections and most of the wiring as well of this espresso machine. And this is the older parts. As you can see some gaskets over here, because we also had to replace the gasket from the sighgkass itself, especially the bottom one and the upper part. It was leaking a lot when it was getting up pressure, when the machine was getting up pressure, which as you can see right now is at full pressure, and it's working perfectly fine with no leaks. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day.